Hey guys, did you know that Annatto seed, also known as ACHOTE, is known as poor man's saffron? I did not know that. You learn something every day. Welcome to Tiny Kitchen, Big Flavor. Hey guys, today we are going to make ACHOTE, colored oil. What I have here is some grapeseed oil that I am warming up. You don't want it to be hot, but I'm just warming it up so then I can add some of my ACHOTE Annatto seeds, which is very widely known in the Caribbean. We cook with this a lot. I remember my grandma used to keep a jar of this oil by the stove, and this is to give color to your food. And if I remember correctly, my dad had like a tumor, I believe, or something, and how they treated it was having warm milk with this and putting this in it. For some reason, those are some of the benefits of it. I don't know how true that is, but I do remember vividly her speaking about it. Anote, however you want to say it, oil is done. It is a little bit darker than normal. That's because I added a lot. I got this from the spiceway.com. Excellent product. Okay guys, so here you have it. It is all done. I put it here towards the light so you can see the color. Look at that. I will say though that if you are one of these people that have a sensitivity to tomato paste and such, this is a great alternative right here. I didn't know it has so many benefits, so I would urge you to hop on over to organicfacts.net and check them out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Oh boy. Hey guys, so you know the drill. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And click that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. Thank you for watching.